I do have a review this week for a home replacement app called LauncherPro, and it's really, this is like the first home replacement app that has really impressed me. It's for 2.0 devices or higher. It's very smooth, very fast. It's just I don't know, it's just head and shoulders above anything else I've tried. I mean, if you're familiar with me, I have a G1, so our phones are just a little bit limited sometimes when it comes to what these apps will do. But they've really pulled off the smoothness, the transition between the screens, really quick, and they also include that expose like view that like the Macs have, and HTC's new helicopter view where you pinch on the home screen and it kind of zooms out and it shows you, a bunch of all your different windows, all your different home screen pages, I guess you could call them, all on one screen, and then you just tap one and it's pretty fluid. It zooms right in. So I definitely recommend it, LauncherPro. It also includes some extra things. One of my big pet peeves is the wasted space around the app drawer. So
Yeah.
on each side of where you grab to pull up your apps, there's that whole huge space of nothing. Now, if you have an HTC phone with the Sense UI, it has something in there, and Moto Blur puts something in there too. But the stock version of Home doesn't have that. But the new 2.2 version does, has some extra things. This includes some, standard things that you would expect your phone to be doing, which is making phone calls, bring up your contacts list, text message, and then it has a little browser shortcut down here. And in the middle, instead of flicking things up to open up the app drawer, you just tap on it, and it has that nice 3D effect that is on the Nexus One. So it's very Nexus One-ish. But and here's that. I can show you the overhead view, the helicopter view that this thing has. You can go to it from two ways. You can either pinch on the home screen and then pick what one you want to go to, or if you're already in the home app, just press your home button and it brings up that expose view. And again, this is just very slick.
Yeah.
I kind of got used to the home replacement apps on the G1 just not performing very well. And it's always been one of those things of, when you get a faster phone, you get a better phone, maybe maybe it performs like it should, but these people really have found the way, to bring it to the lower end models.
And that's one of the things that coming from an iPhone, it's all snappy. Like all the
Yeah.
navigation and stuff is so smooth. When I played with Lane's G1, I was like, "Oh, this is really cool," but it felt like I was playing like pushing through some kind of mud or something. It was just
Yeah,
it was a little slow. And that user experience is what makes or breaks how people first react to the phone.
for sure.
And that was just like, it was crazy how fast that was. It was just like, boom, it was there.
Yeah. And that's how it should be,
Yeah,
right?
right.
I don't even think that the stock home performs like that. And of course, I have my phone rooted, so I keep the home app stored in memory. So whenever you switch back to it, it loads up very quickly. If you don't do that, then it can lag. It'll, just like launching any other app. Whereas again, on the iPhone, as soon as you press it, it happens right away. So this kind of definitely catches up with that.
That's nice. And where can people find that?
You just search for Launcher Pro, one word, on the market. It is free. We have a link up on our website where you can go and look at that over on appbrain.com.
LauncherPro.com also.
Yes, their official website.
Mm-hmm.
And, we also have the QR code. You can scan that. So right off your computer screen with your